Need to manage content in multiple languages? In this video, we'll show you how to add languages to your project, switch between them, and copy content across versions. Start by clicking the Settings icon in the top navigation bar. In the Project Settings modal, scroll to the Content Languages section. Click the plus Add Another Language link to add as many as you need. Click Save to confirm your changes. You can also filter your content by language on the Content dashboard using the top filter bar. Once languages are added, open any page in the Content Planner. In the editor, you'll see a language version drop down above the block toolbar. Use it to toggle between available language versions of the page. Each version is independent, so you can create and edit content separately for each language. To copy content from one language to another, open the page you want to paste into. Click the meatball menu in the top right corner of the editor. Hover over Copy Language Content to open a secondary menu. Click the language you want to copy from, like English. A confirmation modal will appear. Click Import to overwrite the current version and copy content from the selected language. For more information, please visit the support site. Thanks for watching.